Hello, my name is Ryuu. Today I'm gonna review about solar system. Solar system. You know what is solar system? Solar system is the family of sun and also all the objects that traveled around the sun. You know the things that traveled around the sun? It is planets and asteroid, comet, and the tiniest thing that in space, and also moons is travel around the planets. Planets are natural objects. Planets are large natural objects that orbit or travel around the sun. Inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planets are made of rocky materials, and the smallest one from the inner planets, it is Mercury. Outer planets also called Jovian planets, and the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It's made of gas, no solid surface. I'm gonna review about inner planets or terrestrial planet. First, it is Mercury. Mercury have no moons, and it more look like a moon, and then also closest to the sun, and the smallest one from the inner planet. And then now is Venus. Venus is the brightest planet from the solar system, and it have volcanoes. Venus is the second nearest to the sun and the hottest one. Now it is Earth. Earth is the only one that can support life. And if you want to find life, you have to follow the water. And it have one moon. Now it is Mars. People call it the red planet. Mars is so red because of its rusty iron. I discovered some aliens right there. And then it have two moons. More looks like double moons. Okay, that's all. Now I'm gonna explain about Jovian planets or outer planets. I'm gonna use the pointer again. Jovian planets have more moons than the inner planets, and it have no solid surface, and it have rings. All of them have rings. They made from what? They made from gas or water. Gas or water. Yeah. The first outer planet, Jupiter, have rings, but it's not clear to see it. And Jupiter is the biggest planet, and it also have 53 moons. The second outer planet, it is Saturn. Saturn is the only one that you can see the ring clearly, and Saturn's ring is made out of ice, and also Saturn is also a gas giant and is made out of gas. The moon, it is 53. The third Jovian planet, it is Uranus. Uranus is blue and it's made of methane. And it have water inside the planet. Inside Uranus, it have 27 moons.
Ooh.
Neptune is next. The fourth Jovian planet is also the last planet in our solar system, and it made out of methane and it have water. Same like Uranus, maybe they're twinsies. And the moons have 14 moons. And that's all the movement of the planets. Revolution and rotation. Revolution it's the movement of the planet traveled around the sun. Time for the planets to travel around the sun, it's called 1 year. Rotation, that's the planet have to spin around and move on its own. And one time for the planets to spin, it's called 1 day. Artificial satellite is an object that's sent to space to send and receive the information. And here's what it looked like. And this is the part of the satellite. This is scientific satellite. And this is communication satellite. And this is navigation satellite. And this is a weather satellite. And this is the recognition satellite. I think that's all. We can live outside the Earth or not. Can we live outside the Earth? Yes, but only if you have a rocket. Why Earth is special? Because it have oxygen and water. If you want to find life, you have to follow the water. Have science try to find life outside the Earth? Mission to Mars. I already know that. I already know Mission to Mars. I see it on Lego City Adventures. Okay, that's all. I don't need to explain this. So that's all. Now bye. Video is over.